Hey guys, it's me, Mikey. I'm just hopping off the Specialized Alley 1993, my baby. I call her Red. And then I will be hopping on the Raleigh, Wyoming to go get some groceries here in a few after a little sesh. It's got all the lights and shit on it right now. Of course, I'll put them on later to fly around town on my alley. That's my speed baby right there, and that's definitely my comfort bike. It's really comfortable. I just wish I had a different seat than a Cannondale Coda Comfort, but it's the best seat I got for it right now. It did come off of the Specialized Alley, but the Terra Extreme is vented is just way more comfortable, even though it's only like a $13 Amazon seat. I don't care. But alright, let's get to the grocery store on the Raleigh. Alright, so now it is dark out, and I'm out on the Raleigh, Wyoming touring bike, 27 by 1 1/4 inch tires. So a 27-inch bike, 1984. Totally remodeled, or restored I should say. Usually all I buy is vintage steel, but I'm thinking of buying a alloy motoplane with carbon forks and cranks on it, and Shimano Dior group set, but he's wanting too much. He's wanting $259 for it, or $250 for it, he said, and he's got $359 marked on it. And I've seen the same bikes go online all day long for like 200, 150 to 200. But anyway, let's wait till we get to the dark road and I'll show you how these lights are really working. At Walmart, getting some dog food, spray paint, and some munchies. Well, anyway, we got the fuck out of Walmart and tacked with sugar and whipped cream. And I got dog food and spray paint in a bag for my dioramas. Lights on tonight, spoke lights, and all three of my lights, my speedometer, which ain't working for some reason. Okay, so I finally got my speedometer working again. It was just a little off on the spokes. That's the problem with wired ones. If they get just a little off, they will not work. But, yeah. The CatEye's on blink. The Planet Bike Beamer 3 is on solid, and I finally got tape over the hole, so I'm not getting blinded by this one. That scared me. There was like an air valve over there somewhere, and it fucking made me think I popped a tire. But yep, that's it for today. I'm out of here. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Always catch me on here. Also at the weedtube.com. That's the weedtube.com. Go there. I have all my YouTube videos. I have everything. Look at this beautiful Raleigh. Look at that beautiful head too. But anyway guys, peace out. You can even see that with my phone light and the street lights. And I got the blinker way up there. Let's turn the lights off real fast. Okay. Wait for this stupid fucking car. Alright, right there I got this Planet Bike Beamer 3, which the batteries look like they're dying a little bit. Got the one right there, so it makes a big wide beam all the way across the street pretty much. And then my blinker is way up there. Yeah, but please hit that like and subscribe. I really need it. I can get a sponsor if I get them likes and subscribes up. But here's this hill bomb, so peace out.